Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here's part 2 of the jewelry jar. Everything's $10 or less. Part 1 is currently uploading now, so hopefully I'll get them both to upload by separating them into 2 groups. Up first we have this purple and turquoise colored necklace. I love this color combination, it's fantastic. And we have some glass and ceramic and acrylic and dyed stone. Really pretty color combination on that. And it is 18 to 20.5 inches long, and this one will be $8. And then we have these 2 stretch bracelets here. I think these are glass beads, good stretch on them, and they'll be $5 for the both of them. And we have a Tresca, and I do not know that I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I will go ahead and show you the tag if I can get it to cooperate. There you go. And this is a statement necklace, silver tone. We have acrylics and dyed stone, ceramic, like confetti lucite to me look like amber. It's a pretty necklace also, and it is 20 to 23.5 inches, and it'll be $8. And we have a little cat's eye bracelet, and it is 7.5 inches long, and it'll be $5. Well, nope. Okay, we're going to skip that one for right this second and go to this pendant here. And it is 2 inches, and it will be $2. I think I've buried that necklace somewhere in here. Maybe it's this one. Yes, it's this one. Charming Charlie. Charming Charlie, like floral pattern, fun costume necklace. It is 17 to 19 inches, and it'll be $4. And then we have a tiger's eye necklace. It has a spring ring closure, tiger's eye chips, and then this cool mother of pearl pendant on it. And it is 30.5 inches long, and it'll be $6 on this one. Then we have a little gold tone pendant, and it is 2 inches, and it'll be $1. I think this is a favorite in this part for me. It is Talbot's. And there's their tea. And it has these glass beads here. And it is 30.5 inches long. And oh no, it's 41 inches long, and it'll be $10. And then we have this silver and gold tone, like XOXO bracelet. It is marked PD on the back of it. I don't know if that's for Premier Designs, because it doesn't have their actual little logo. It is 7.5 inches long, and it'll be $2 on this one. All right. And then we have a chaps necklace. And there's their hang tag. And it is gold tone. This is in like new condition also. And it has this little triple strand. Some glass beads on there and some, like, I think that's acrylic. We got, it's adjustable up to 19 inches, and it'll be $5 on this one. And then we have this enhancer pendant. And it opens that way so you can put it on beads or stones. And it is 2.5 inches, and it'll be $3. And then we have a extra large statement necklace. Lots of glass beads on this one. Let me see if I can get it to lay properly for you. So we have this gunmetal tone, lobster claw clasp. This one is not signed. Glass beads, lots and lots of glass beads. And it is 27 to 30 inches, and it'll be $6. That's another one that if you're outside the country, that's heavy. So just know that before you want to ship something that's that heavy. It's expensive. We have, this is adorable, little Avon kitty cat slider bracelet. Where is the clasp? Somewhere. There it is. It is marked Avon there on the clasp. And it has these adorable kitty cats with little rhinestones in them. So cute. 8.25 inch, and this one will be $10. It's in really good condition, and it's not got any missing rhinestones. No fading on the gold tone. And those are cute kitties. And then I have this. Is this fossil, guys? It has an F, maybe. I don't know. It's got like the Snell chain. And these are, I don't know what these are. Wood or some sort of plastic. 17 to 19 inches. And it'll be $3. And then we have a hematite necklace. And then it comes down with these cat's eye beads in the center. Like a wide drop necklace. It is 18 inches long, and it'll be $2. And we have an Erica Lyons. And there is her hang tag there. Silver tone. You got glass beads and stone chips. Really pretty. That's a pretty piece. 28 to 31 inches, and it'll be $8 on this one. I love this color blue. And then we have a quartz stone chip necklace or strand you could use for crafting. No clasp on this one. It is 35 inches, and it'll be $6 on that. And then we have this one. I don't see a mark on this. It tested sterling, but I don't see a mark. And these actually look like turquoise beads to me. And then you got some sort of agate beads. I love this. It's simple. I love that. It is 18 inches long, and it'll be $10. And then lastly for this one, we have a White House Black Market. There's your hang tag on that. Silver tone, excellent condition. All these shades of blue glass beads on it. Really gorgeous piece there too. 16 to 17.5 inches. And this one will be $8. If you like anything you've seen in any of these videos, you can email me. That will be in the description below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.